If we do this, and then we can come down this to the hub.
No, you only, well.
Oh, is that one? That's
one way. Yeah,
okay, I see the arrows now. Yeah.
So the only way.
No attention to that.
So the only way back to the hub. Oh, so these are all anyway. So okay. Turtles all the way. That's funny. That's a Sturgill Simpson reference. It's a song about drugs and there not actually being a god. Anyway. But yeah, so you could take either of these can go either direction. It's just these are the ones that can only go.
Got two of them can go one way. So if we do this, we got to go all the way back around to here. But if we do this, we don't know how far away that is.
Yes, that's the other part of it too.
You want to take a picture of it?
Yeah, I did. Let me take a better one because I just took it for ride dirt, not mud. There we go. I don't need the offshoot of that other one. There we go.
Which one we going?
Yes. I don't remember what we decided.
Do we want to do turtles all the way up and then shoot the blue one back down?
So,
you know what I mean?
Here?
Yeah.
And then this one back, or one of the other ones?
One of the
we could do
only red blues.
Yeah, we can do that.
Only one way only, so in order to come down, we got to go up.
Yeah, we could go turtles, and then we could even do timber jump, or let's do that. Let's do turtles all the way down. To hit it, we have to first hit crane whoop.
Yeah, which is going to be my configuration right over here.
That's what I heard. I've heard that's the only downside is the sand in some of the corners can be bad. Whew. They weren't kidding. That front end will get out from under you. Whoo! That sand is sketchy.
We found the hub.
Sure did.
All right.
That's sick.
Yeah, so I was trying to...
Yeah, there's one of the... Cool, so we just need to go up to the hub?
Yeah,
I bet there's plenty.
Here,
Yes, I'm in fourth. Oh, no way. I should have been standing if I was going to attempt that. I was not prepared for that turn.
This thing got a control.
I did not have enough brake pressure applied. Yeah. Oh, tight fit. That's same, dude. Ah! Ow, my foot. No. Which way? We want to go this way, right? Yeah, it does. So it must be back that way. That was good.
Yeah, we're gonna go back up where we to the hub and then come down that other blue one.
All right.
Is that what you want to do?
Yeah, that's fine. That was fun.
Yeah.
Once I know this bike, these back brakes suck. I got to get that figured out. I see my issue now. Oh, that sand sucks. That ruins that whole jump. Not hitting that one yet. Oh, geez. Oh. Yep. That was a good one. Oh. I was about to say it's got a gap. Oh shit. I got on my GoPro on and I about went over too. Just the goose honk all the way down. I feel like that first part's literally the only thing that makes that a black diamond. Whoa! Need some tools?
When I flipped over.
Definitely something to it. All right. Let's give it a go one more time. Ow.
That's wiping out. The shit's crooked.
You can do it that way or you need the tool? I'm gonna try. So this one, yeah. Don't hit that. Oh my God, my whole handlebars. Yeah, they've twisted backwards. Oh, my heart. Look at this. Man, I was doing so good too.